Hello students, in this class of ours we are going to study what are olfactory indicators and what are artificial or synthetic indicators. So right at outset let us talk about artificial or synthetic indicators. One of them is methyl orange. These are called artificial or synthetic because they are not obtained as such from nature and they are synthesized in laboratory with the help of chemicals. So this is methyl orange. See, neutral color is orange. Neutral color is orange. And if this is added to acid, it remains red. It becomes red. In acid, the color becomes red, and in base, the color is yellow. Methyl orange, neutral color is orange. When this neutral color, if you add methyl orange having its neutral color as orange, if you add it to acid, it will become red, and if you add it to base, that it becomes yellow. So methyl orange, it becomes yellow, you say it is base, and methyl orange, if added to a substance and that color becomes red, you say it is acidic substance. So this is how it will tell us whether the given substance is acidic or basic. Methyl orange, color neutral is orange, acid it is red, and base it is yellow. Base it is yellow. That was all about this. Another artificial or synthetic indicator that we have is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. See, neutral color is colorless. Neutral, it is colorless. In acid, again colorless. It will not change its color, it will remain colorless state. But if you add it to base, the color will change to pink. So when you have phenolphthalein which does not have any color, if you add it to a substance and the color changes pink, you say it is base. And if the colorless substance remains colorless after adding, then you say the given substance is acidic. Now we will go on to the olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators. Here olfactory means relating to smell. So what we do is, you take a strip of cloth and rub over it some onion piece and try to have the smell. It will be smell of onion. If you add acid to this strip which is having the onion smell, the smell will remain as it is. But if you add base, the smell will get destroyed. And similarly, you can test the nature of the given substance, acidic or basic, by taking even vanilla essence. You take a cloth strip, apply some vanilla essence, and you have vanilla smell on it. If you apply base, the smell will get destroyed. But if you add acid to it, the smell will remain as it is. So these olfactory indicators also help us to identify whether the given substance is acidic or basic. In acid, smell remains as it is, as it was. Onion will remain onion smell and vanilla will remain vanilla smell. But if you add base to it, the smell is destroyed altogether. Then you don't find whether the smell was there or not. So on adding base, the smell gets destroyed. On adding acid, smell remains as it is. This was all about olfactory indicators. Now we'll go on to the next.